Hi guys and welcome back. Bitcoin might be in here for quite a ride in the next coming hours. And we definitely have to talk about this. If you think that's interesting, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to never miss out on these important updates. And as usual guys, we go here directly into the charts. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see that the Bitcoin price got rejected from this volume bar area. So here, this one. So the Bitcoin price tried to break here above $23,150, but yeah, we see it on the wick. The bears came in and pushed the price down here on the 4-hourly chart. So, and could not maintain to stay above here the $23,500 level, where I actually opened a trade. The trade is still ongoing. I have a stop loss in place. So because I think there could be still potential that we see the price here reversing back to the upside, but we have to talk today definitely about the potential downside that is looming here in the shadows on the higher time frames. So, and for that we go here into, so because there could be a potential big head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder here, with the head here. So you see here's the neckline like this. So, and then we have the right shoulder potentially forming here. So if this head and shoulders pattern would be playing out, so then we would be talking about a potential downside risk here for Bitcoin all the way back to $16,700. So, and we would actually also break through this massive support area from where Bitcoin got here in the past, supported, and every time bounced back to the upside. So for now, the head and shoulders pattern is of course not completed yet. So, and in my opinion, to see a higher likelihood to see this actually playing out, we have to break $22,650. So when I go back here now to the daily chart, we can also still observe here that the Bitcoin price is heavily fighting with the $23,000 level. This daily candle is trying to stay above this, but of course we have to see it manage to do that. Candle wise, if we can close this daily candle as it is today, and the next one would push up here in green, so that would be a heavily bullish sign, because then we would form here an evening star pattern where we see then a potential reversal back to the upside to the top of this rising wedge. Also here on the stochastic RSI, it looks like for the time being that we want to curl around here with tomorrow's candle. So, but of course we have to see what's happening here in the immediate short term. For that, I also want to go here quick into the 15 minutes, because there is our potential to make here some nice trades in the imminent short term, because we can play here with the range that the Bitcoin price is trading in. If you're not in a trade right now, then I give you the possibility here either to enter a trade when we're breaking above convincingly $23,000 and have a 1-hourly and 4-hourly close above that level. So, or if we break under $22,700, and there you can open a short. So, and yeah, my short target would be first here all the way down to $22,400. I would use high leverage on that, something like 10-25x to make you some good money. When we are looking here percentage wise, we would be talking about 25x, around 30% on this scalp trade. And if we trade this to the upside to the next level of resistance, so there we would be talking about around 50%. If we can break above $23,000 here on the 15 minutes, we can see on the stochastic RSI the Bitcoin price wants to turn around here. We are close to get a new fresh buy signal, but I must warn you guys, the 30 minutes are not looking so good. Based on the 30 minutes chart, I would still wait a little bit before I enter a trade. I would wait at least another hour, no matter where the price is going, before I would consider opening here a position. And that's why I'm saying make sure that we have a 1 hourly close or a 4 hourly close in either direction before you actually open a trade here. But if you want to open a trade, guys, don't forget, you still can go here in the comment section or in the description of the video. There you still get $4,450 with my Bybit link, guys. And also on BitGet, there you still get $8,000 in free bonuses with 15% discount on the fees, but only with my link, guys. Otherwise, you get like $200 or something. I'm, like I said in my previous videos, maybe 1 out of 10 people in the world that actually have this $8,000 bonus. So definitely take advantage of that as long as this is lasting, because this will be not forever. I don't know when BitGet tells me that they take this offer off, but for the time being, you can definitely take advantage of that, and also the $4,450 on BitGet. So if you combine all these bonuses together, we are talking here about close to $20,000 in bonuses also with PrimeXBT that you can get here absolutely for free. And if you open only a 5x leverage trade, this is a $100,000 trade absolutely for free if you combine all these bonuses that you can then trade with. So now let's get back here to the Bitcoin price, because I saw here something else, I think on the 4 hourly chart, and that was the volume. Oh, now I took it off. So the volume, so we see here some buy volume coming in, but overall the volume is still declining, so which means that there still might be a bigger move in the shadows for the Bitcoin price right now. So what I would like to see is a convincing break above this downwards trend line here on the volume to confirm in which direction we are going here on the daily chart. So, and I hope by tomorrow with the next daily candle close that we actually get this signal. But be careful, guys, it's the weekend, so we could actually print a CME gap here over the weekend, and a potential big one if the Bitcoin price is rallying here massively to the upside after the traditional markets are closed. Unless we are breaking it to the upside and then start to go here a little bit sideways to avoid the CME gap then on Monday, and then the Bitcoin price hopefully continues to go here higher. So but the key here today, the key takeaway is be careful, guys. So there could be this massive head and shoulders pattern looming here in the shadows that can take us down to quite low prices, which is not all too bad. It gives us maybe the last opportunity to buy Bitcoin here quite cheap before we see then here a massive rally back to the upside. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.